Hi, how are you? This is David Foss from MarineMax in Westbrook, Connecticut. Today we're going to do a walkthrough on this beautiful Scout 195 Dorado. You can see it has in the exterior here this stunning black color, the nice trim, and the Scout logo in chrome looks really sharp. Can't wait to get you inside this boat and take a look at what she has inside. Okay, we're inside our Scout 195 Dorado. We're going to do a walkthrough on the inside. One of the first things I'd like to talk to you about in this beautiful boat is our Mercury 150 horsepower motor. A lot of power on the back of this 19-foot boat will help you with your water sports and bouncing from fishing hole to fishing hole. This Mercury motor is very fuel efficient and runs very quietly. You'll be able to run for weekends on end without having to refuel, which is a great benefit and feature. I'd also like to point out on the back of this boat, you have your powder-coated ski tow. This is for your water sports, tubing, wakeboarding, water skiing. Very nice, included, stocked on the boat. We're gonna take a look underneath this seat here, and you're gonna see there's actually a live well, which is great. Starting to see that this is truly a ski and fish boat. You can do all your water sports, skiing, tubing, and fishing. Also notice that there's the grab rails, rod holders all along the stern, keeping your tackle up and out of the way. Nice retractable cleats. You're not tumbling around with those. We're going to move to the front of the boat. More storage on this side too, actually. There's little storage compartments all over this boat. Very nice. You can see we have a bimini top here. I'm 6 feet tall, and this bimini gives you ample room and keeps you and your family out of the sun for those hot summer days. In the steering console here, I fit very comfortably. Very comfortable seats, very attractive. Wheelie bar on the steering wheel, C-Star hydraulics for very easy steering while you're underway. You've got your throttle cable here, very ergonomically placed, very comfortable, very close. Fusion radio comes stocked in the boat. 2 access panels underneath the consoles. This console underneath is access to your fuse box and also electronics for this console. Under here is where your battery storage is. More storage under here, glove box type storage, lots of cup holders, padded spot here for your cell phone. Love all the rod holders on this boat, extra added rod holders on either console, very nice. We're going to move towards the front of the boat. You can see there are speakers here, more handles. And then as we get into the front of the boat, you're really going to notice how much space is in this 19-foot boat. Very ample space. I'm going to sit way back in this seat. You're going to see just how much space is up here. We can fit 4 adults up here very comfortably. Handlebars, rails, all look beautiful and provide extra safety. More cup holders, more speakers, lots of storage. This big padded cover up front is removable. Comes right up. You've got storage up under here. Big storage compartment right up under there. And if you're fishing, you can take this out, leave it at home. If you're out hanging out with your friends, you can put the cushion back in and leave it in. Anchor storage up front. We have storage under the seats on either side in here. Very comfortable, very well laid out 195 Scout Dorado here at the Westbrook MarineMax. If you'd like to come see us, we're down on Post Road. You can Google Westbrook MarineMax, find directions to our store. You see our van on here out front. The phone number is 860-399-5581. You can give us a call. Again, my name is Dave, and I'm at the Westbrook MarineMax in Westbrook, Connecticut. Thanks so much.